Deep beneath Kota Semarahan, Sarawak, there are hidden gems alive with life. Today, we will reveal the secret of two extraordinary ecosystems, the Real Living Lab and UNIMAS Lake. Ecosystems are complicated tapestries composed of living species and their surroundings. Plants, animals, and even small bacteria all serve an important part in preserving a delicate equilibrium. As we look up, we see a towering canopy, the top layer of the rainforest. This dense roof of leaf blocks most of the sunlight from reaching the forest floor. A little sunlight filters down to the understory, the layer below the canopy. Here, we find a world of smaller trees, shrubs, and vines. Mangrove can also thrive inland in areas with brackish water, a mix of fresh water and salt water. Unlike most trees, mangrove grow in waterlogged soil and unsick, which is low in oxygen. See these fascinating aerial roots. These arise from the branches and are used for aerations. Most mangrove plants have aerial or blood roots known as penetrophores or respiratory roots and buttress trunks. Mangroves are crucial for the survival of healthy fishing industry because they serve as important breeding grounds for a variety of fish, crabs, prawns, and other marine mammals.
Few biotic factors found in the Real Living Lab, for example, caterpillars, grasshoppers, dragonflies, black ants, and spiders. Grasshopper is the primary consumer in this ecosystem since it consumes green plants known as producer. These fascinating pollinators play a vital role in the rainforest ecosystem. As they sip nectar from flowers, they also transfer pollen, helping plants reproduce. The bee's long tongue is perfectly adapted to reach deep inside the flower and access the sugary nectar. This sweet liquid fuels the bee's energy as it feeds from flower to flower. Moreover, prey-predator interaction exists between the spider and other small animals. Mycena rosea, commonly known as rosy bayonet, is a species of bioluminescent mushroom in the family Mycenaceae, has also been spotted across the tropical rainforest. Furthermore, these epiphytes grow on branches using limbs for support and extracting moisture from the air. Commensalism defines the relationship between trees and epiphytes. Besides, the majority of the trees here have moss on it, indicates that it is located in a high humidity environment. Moreover, saprophytic organisms such as fungi, it derives its nutrients from decaying organic material, also can be spotted in this ecosystem.
In terms of soil organic matter, this layer is formed by the decomposition of plant and animal litter. It is crucial for soil fertility. It provides nutrients for plants and promotes healthy soil structure. The other abiotic factor is the atmospheric gases that are produced from the forest, such as oxygen, carbon dioxide, that are involved in the photosynthesis and respiration between the trees and humans and animals. And in terms of physiographic, rainforests may grow at many heights, ranging from lowlands at sea level to mountainous areas. Higher elevations have lower temperatures and more cloud cover, which affects plant and animal life. The kind of bedrock underneath the rainforest can affect soil composition and nutrient availability. The wind has a minor function in tropical rainforests. For example, a rainforest high and lofty canopy function as a barrier, considerably lowering wind speed at the forest floor.
Meanwhile, UNIMAS Lake boasts a vibrant aquatic ecosystem. Unlike flowing rivers, benthic ecosystems offer unique habitat for various life forms. Within UNIMAS Lake, distinct zones harbor diverse communities, and this shallow shore area receive ample sunlight, allowing plants like reed and algae to thrive. Also, hydrophytes not only provide food and shelter for smaller organisms, but also create a unique underwater environment for fish and other creatures.
Water which is a lake is the habitat formation in which the flowing water, changing depths, and presence of woody debris will help to create diverse habitats within the lake. These areas sustain a diverse range of aquatic life that have to cope with the lake's conditions.
These hydrophytes can survive long periods of time without rainfall in a dry riverbed. They thrive in direct sunlight, undisturbed neutral to slightly acidic soil and water. Asian water monitor, Varanus salvator, and long leg and neck storks are biotic factors spotted around the lake ecosystem. The most common one are fish. A variety of fish exists in this ecosystem, leading to food competition, nutrient availability, and oxygen content amongst them. Now let's look at the limiting factors that can be found in all three ecosystems. First thing first, the light availability. The dense canopy layer of tall trees block a significant amount of sunlight from reaching the forest floor. Next is the nutrient availability. Despite the lush vegetation, the soil in tropical rainforests is often surprisingly nutrient poor due to several reasons. For instance, heavy rainfall, which quickly leaches away the essential nutrients from the soil, high acidity in the soil, the type of clay particle that presents in the soil, as well as high temperature and moisture. The next limiting factor is that the competition for the resources. The high diversity of plant and animal life in tropical rainforests, lake, as well as the mangroves leads to fierce competition for resources like food, space, and mates.
As a data integrator, skills and knowledge that I acquire is how to extract data from various source systems or websites and transform it for analysis. Also, from this project, I gained a lot of knowledge about the type of ecosystem that exists around UNIMAS that I never thought before. Next, from this experience, I was able to work in teamwork and enhance my communication skills among the team members. It was awesome and full of information journey. That's all.
As a chairman, I have learned to divide the tasks within my group members and monitor their own parts. Other than that, the knowledge that I have gained through this trip at the Real Living Lab is that I have seen many types of adaptation of plants along the forest, such as epiphytes, buttress, stranglers, and drip-tip leaves. Also, from this project at the Real Living Lab, I could differentiate the abiotic and biotic factors such as insects, flowers, and trees. That is all from me. Thank you.
Visiting this Real Living Lab significantly enhances the understanding of ecology by providing a hands-on immersive experience. Observing ecosystems in their natural state allows me to observe their relationship, their direct interaction, and seeing the ecological processes in action. For example, the adaptation of mangroves and the presence of epiphytes on top of trees. Thank you.
Experiencing to explore the ecology and environment can highlight the importance of environmental conservation. It instills a sense of responsibility to protect natural resources and biodiversity, emphasizing sustainable practices. Observing the delicate balance of ecosystem helps to appreciate the broader ecological impact on human activities. It underscores the need for responsible consumption and waste management to reduce environmental footprint. Thank you.
After exploring this Real Living Lab and the lake, I got to witness the interdependence of plants, animals, and environment that have shifted my perspective. As a responsible citizen, I should spread awareness to people and educate them to protect and preserve our environment. For example, from planting more trees, practice tree arts, and support sustainable practice.